Hey, Josh here, and welcome to part 2 of Debunking Myths of Affiliate Marketing. Okay, here's another myth. Let's debunk concerning affiliate marketing. People believe you have to use paid ads to succeed. Not true. In fact, you are just starting out or you're thinking about starting in affiliate marketing. Highly encourage you to not go towards paid ads. Why? Because until you understand how to place the ad and how the different platforms work concerning paid ads, the money you invest, you will more than highly likely lose every bit of it. So how do you start out? Organic traffic. What is organic traffic, Josh? It is simply going on, building relationship, connecting with people. You can send friend requests. You can invite them into your group, of your Facebook group, and then build a relationship with them on there as well. So just go with organic traffic if you're just starting out, and build those relationships and connect with those people. Because you can make money with organic traffic, as well as it'll teach you to understand marketing, creating content, posting in groups, understanding live streams, Facebook groups, YouTube, TikTok. Get familiar with everything before you invest in paid ads. And I would encourage this as well. Until your mentor or your coach tells you to start going into paid ads, listen to what they have to say. Use that accountability, because it'll help you grow your business as well and save you a lot of time and money trying to make money off of paid ads when you don't understand how they work. All right, here's the next myth. Let's debunk this. People say I'm too young or I'm too old to get into the marketing business and get results. That is a myth. In other words, that is not true. From the youngest that is legal to do an affiliate marketing business online to some of the older people, all ages are doing affiliate marketing and being very successful with it. So that is a myth. Don't look at your age. Also, it's not about race. It's not about your sexual preference. It's not about any of that. Everyone is making money online with affiliate marketing. All right, here's another myth. You have to message hundreds of people every day to get results. Well, listen to this statistic. 1 to 3% of the people you message will buy from you immediately or within a few days. So if you message 100 people to get a result, 1 to 3 out of those 100 people will potentially buy from you right off the bat. Now, you message too many people on the wrong platform, you can get your page shut down, or you can get banned from a group. So how do you do it? Well, once again, let me go back to it. KLT. K is the know, L is the like, T is the trust. Check out the video on our channel about that. It goes into more detail on it. But build the KLT. Build the relationship. Add value to people's lives with your posts. Encourage them. Let them know you're for real. You're the real deal. And you can really help them. And it's not just a sales pitch, but you really care about the person and helping them come out of their literal heaven or hell, if you want to say it like that, out of their hell to get to their heaven, whatever that looks like. More family time, more finances, more time to travel, whatever their journey looks like. Focus on helping them, adding value to their life. Focus on helping people. My coach has taught me this. When you focus on making money, you don't make money. But when you focus on helping people, the money will come. So you don't have to message hundreds and hundreds of people daily. You can do that, but it's not recommended because the results are not that great. But get into a program where there's already a phone closer that knows what they're doing. Listen to this. Program I'm a part of, people that are going to the phone, that coach is closing 50 to 75% of the people that comes across and books a phone call with him. He is closing that high percentage of people. Why? Because he's seasoned, they know how to do it. And when you're an affiliate for that program, all you're doing is sending people to that program or to book a call, and then you get the commission from that. One last thing. Here's another myth. I can't promote high ticket because I can't make that money and people don't want to spend that kind of money. That is not true. In fact, you're better off to promote a high ticket product or program than low ticket, because a few high ticket sales will reach your financial monthly budget goal quicker than selling a bunch of low ticket. And it takes the same amount of work to sell high ticket as it does low ticket. Just focus on the KLT. There's a lot more myths out there that we could debunk, but I wanted to share these with you guys to help you to understand. Anybody can do affiliate marketing no matter what age you are, how young or how old. You don't have to do paid ads to succeed. Just focus on the things I've shared with you in this video. If you want to know more, check out some of our other videos on this channel, because it'll give you more information on that as well. Hey guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when we put out new content. Like this video if you would, please. Comment below if you have any questions, anything we can help you with. Thanks guys for checking out part 2 of this video. Hope this has been helpful for you, and I will see you in the next video.